A closer look 1. 4. Listen and repeat, paying attention to the tones of the underlined words in each conversation.
1. I'd like some oranges, please.
But we don't have any oranges.
2. What would you like, sir?
I'd like some oranges.
3. I'll come here tomorrow.
But our shop is closed tomorrow.
4. When is your shop closed?
It is closed tomorrow.
5. Listen to the conversations. Do you think the voice goes up or down at the end of each second sentence? Draw a suitable arrow at the end of each line.
1. Tom found a watch on the street.
No, he found a wallet on the street.
2. Where did Tom find this watch?
He found it on the street.
3. Let's have some coffee.
But I don't like coffee.
4. Let's have a drink. What would you like?
I'd like some coffee.
5. This hat is nice.
I know it's nice, but it's expensive.
6. This bed is big.
I know it's big, but that one's bigger.
6. Read the conversation. Does the voice go up or down on the underlined words? Draw a suitable arrow at the end of each line. Then listen, check and repeat.
What make of TV shall we buy?
Let's get the Samsung.
I think we should get the Sony. It's really nice.
But the Samsung is nicer.
But the Sony has a guarantee.
They both have a guarantee.
How much is the Sony?
It's $600.
It's too expensive.
I know it's expensive, but it's of better quality.
They're both of good quality?